Hi everyone, thanks for joining me on another video. Today I thought we'd look over how to change your wallpaper on your desktop. So you remember what you're looking at right now is the desktop. We learned that from the last video. So you want to change it to make it your own. Well, there's a few ways that we can do that. I'll try to show you the most simple way to get to where we want to be though. So you're going to take your cursor right there. So that is called the cursor. You're going to right click on it, not left click like we do pretty much everything else. So we'll right click on that. It'll bring up this menu. You're going to want to go down to personalize, and we're going to left click on that. Left click. Okay, it brings up the settings menu. So here you can see that there's a lot of different options. Don't necessarily look over to the left in that area. You want to look right in the middle of the screen. This is what we're most interested in. So, up here, we currently have this blue flowery looking thing here, but maybe we want it to be black. So we can choose that, and everything will go to this kind of color. Let's choose the next one and see what happens. Okay. So that makes things a little bit different. Look at this one. This one looks pretty. Alright. Let's minimize this little minus sign here. That means minimize. What that means is it will take this screen and it will bring it down to the very bottom. But I'll show you how to get it back. But we have to see what this wallpaper looks like because that's kind of pretty. So let's left click on the minimize button. That's pretty nifty looking. So that's our new wallpaper. Okay, let's go check out some other things in here though. So we're going to take our cursor. Now you see if I roll over the gear icon, it's going to show me the settings menu. And if I hover over that little pop-up, it's going to bring it back, but if I take the cursor off, it goes away. So what we're going to want to do is take our cursor, hover over the gear icon, left click on it, and it brings back the settings menu for your wallpaper. Okay, I think we like that one, so we're going to stick with that. There is no save button on here for your wallpaper. It's just basically whatever you choose is what it's going to be. Now when you're absolutely done with everything and you've chosen what you like, you'll come up here to the X. That means that you're going to close this page completely out. So we'll click the X and we're done. We're back to our desktop. We'll have another video coming soon of how to choose your very own picture from, say, your cell phone or in email. We'll go through a couple of different ways of how to save that, but for now I just wanted you to get familiar with what the wallpaper was. If there's anything you would like to see in an upcoming video, please leave it in the comments below.